Can we reopen Instagram photos that we've already viewed? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can reopen Instagram photos that we have already viewed in our mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Instagram. So there we go. And head over to your DMs. And here, let's open this chat up. So right here, what you can do is you can actually see that I've received 4 photos. So let's open the first one up. And this is actually a view once photo. So if I view it once, I cannot view it again. So you can tap on it again. You can try to do this with your Wi-Fi closed. So let's close our Wi-Fi and view this. And that was a view once photo as well. So if I head back, remove Instagram from my background and open it up again. And open up my Wi-Fi again as well. So let me reconnect to the Wi-Fi first. And after reconnecting to the Wi-Fi, if I head over to the DMs again and try to open the second photo that I opened up while the Wi-Fi was not here, it won't work in that way as well. So I cannot reopen the view once photos no matter what I do. So let's open this another photo again. So this is not a view once photo. So as you can see, I viewed this once, but there is still an option to view it again. So in this case, I can view it twice. So there you can see, and I even get the a notification saying someone has replayed your video or photo. So if I just do that and watch it again, there we go. I can watch it twice. So yeah, you can reopen Instagram photos that you've already viewed, but only once if it is in allow replay option. So I hope this answers your question, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.